SpaceX's Starship, the journey so far and what's ahead. The future of space exploration is here, and it's named Starship. SpaceX's revolutionary vessel is pushing the boundaries of human achievement. Launched by Elon Musk, Starship promises to bring us closer to the stars than ever before, unlocking the secrets of the universe. So far, it has completed various test flights, successfully returning to Earth each time. These trial voyages have gathered crucial data for future manned missions. Next, the Starship aims to touch down on Mars. It's the first step in Musk's ambitious plan to colonize the Red Planet. But the journey doesn't stop there. Musk envisions Starship making interstellar voyages, carrying humans to other star systems beyond our own. Join us as we delve deeper into the journey of SpaceX's Starship, exploring its accomplishments so far and the exciting future that lies ahead.